Welcome to a new video, guys. My first ever car meet in Stockholm. There is definitely a lot of cars here. I'm here with my friend and colleague Max.
Hello.
And we had planned to take his Porsche to the car meet. So where's the Porsche?
Well, something unexpected happened. I was going to take it for a wash in the morning, but unfortunately the starter motor gave out. So now it's just parked in my garage, not starting, you know.
So luckily this man have another car.
I do, always.
A pretty interesting car. Should we start from the front and just go through this?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Like, we're talking a Skoda. So this is what we got. Like, it's beautiful, normal, you know, like normal car. Nothing special. What is this?
It's aerodynamics.
So we got this. There's also some other slight issues with the car, I would say. I see something down here that might need a little bit of a fix.
That was the previous owner, not me. But everything is factory. You know, straight from the factory here. The car is in original shape, original color as well. Very rare these days.
Yep. And then I think something else is a bit wrong here. Like what's going on here?
Yeah, that's not supposed to.
What's going on here?
Be there. that happens occasionally, but it's good. You know, you indicate further back. You know,
quick fix.
Yeah, quick fix. Yeah. Quick release blinker here.
Yeah. And I also want to add in, guys, that when I was riding in this car here. Like, I don't know, you can, that sounds a bit, you can open this door. But when I was inside, you know, the passenger seat here, this man just says, yeah, you can't get out.
Yeah,
like this doesn't work.
I accidentally pulled the wire to the door when I was trying to fix it, you know.
So his solution for me to get out of the car was that when we parked, he put down the window and just said, yeah, just open it from the outside. So I have to lean outside the window to use like this door handle to get out of the car.
It's steel proof, you know, anti-theft. That's the important thing here.
At least you got a nice base in the car.
Oh, I do, I must show you.
Let's see.
This is the magnum opus of the car.
Big base. Boom.
Here we have it.
I mean, it's nice. I still want to argue that it should like not be completely loose, but that's, I guess, an issue for the future.
Not an issue at all.
When you one day open up and it like doesn't lay here, but like crushed here.
Well, it happened one time. I had it like this before.
Yep.
But then I made a quick acceleration on the motorway here, so that it kind of fell forward and lost some contact with the stereo. But I've learned my lesson. I've kept it on this back now. Hasn't happened.
Nice.
I might need to screw it down sometime, but for now it's fine. It works.
It's an issue for the future, as I said.
Yeah.
Just how it is with like most things of cars. If it works for now, it works, right? But we're gonna have a look around here, take a walk, see what we find. I've already seen a lot of nice cars. It's just fun to see some different things comparing what I see from home.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Eric should have been here. This is just one of the many Miatas we got here. The paint might not be the best, but it got like really nice roof. The inside of this car, I'm not sure how much you can see. Got like a super nice steering wheel and some like original parts in it. We talked a bit with the owner and it's super dope. We also got the Lexus with like a V8 next to it. So definitely for sure here in Stockholm some nice JDM cars already. We got some more Miatas here. NBs at this time. One with the Sparko share as well. It's not as usual, I would say, to see the NBs It's mostly NAs back home. So it's a little bit of a change to see all these cars. So even though it might not be like too much bigger than what we have at home, it's always fun to see some different cars, since I've seen like most of the cars that usually is at home. Subaru is driving away. It's beautiful. I found a decent lineup of some more expensive cars here. We got the Audi R8, we got the Audi R8, we got the Audi R8 and the Audi R8. 4 R8s in a row, all of them the V10 version. I mean, I wouldn't mind having a car like this. We got all kind of different colors. I definitely love the black one with the bigger wing, some nice R8 livery on it, but I also see something extremely beautiful here. I want to get your opinion on this car here.
Okay.
So I see a Volkswagen. Do you see it too?
Yeah, I think I know which one you're...
Look at this, guys. Beautiful Volkswagen. The wing, I mean, it's a bit larger than the one you have on your car.
A little bit. It seems homemade. Mine is factory, no. That is mostly important.
It's interesting. What is this? I'm not sure how much you can see it on camera, but like it's glittery. The whole thing is glitter. It looks absolutely insane in real life. Dodgy boat car. Why so serious? There's some cars I've checked out here already for a bit, and these are definitely some of them. You see the back of them here. You see this lineup. We're talking Supras, we're talking RX-7s. 2 RX-7, 2 Supra. Damn.
The GDM lineup.
Damn, exactly.
That's where it's at.
We got the new Supra with a Castrol livery. Never seen a Castrol Supra before. Looks amazing. And I just love these new Supras. I mean, there's a lot of mixed opinions about the new Supra. All the talks about being a BMW and so on, but no matter what, according to me, it looks amazing. My dream car. We got the GTR R34, one of the few that still is in Sweden. I mean, I'm not gonna say I know, but I think there's like maybe 3 or 4 left of the actual GTR versions of the R34 in Sweden. So to actually see one here is extremely cool. Just in general, I wouldn't mind having a car like this. I wouldn't mind having a GTT either. It's not a GTR, but it's still like a sick R34, so please, sometimes, maybe. R34 in midnight purple, yes please. Okay, we're in the car. We're gonna try to find some type of race, I think.
Yeah, they usually have these races where they just drag race each other.
I mean, we usually never go to them in Gothenburg because the police always shut them down before you can even get there. So we'll see. I don't know if it's the same here or if we can actually see some
usually it
race.
is, but we can get lucky and there won't be any police.
Let's see what happens.
Let's see.
Let's drive in this epic car. We got the wing in the back, ready to go. We're definitely gonna win races.
Ready for speed.
We made it to the place where there potentially be some racing. Hopefully we'll see some. There's already been a police here, but they drove away, so
yeah.
Hopefully they'll stay away.
No one was doing anything illegal, so they might have just passed by,
Like
checked anything.
cars just driving by at the moment. Some cars driving a bit faster than others, but pretty chill so far. Got a pretty nice lineup of cars over here as well. We're just hoping that the Supra we showed earlier will actually race. It stands over here. It would be nice to see that pull away with some speed, see the power of it. Tänk om vi går andra. Guys, I think we found a Civic with a laptop. This is like the pure power.
We even got the headset in the car.
Yep, probably too loud.
Oh, but the GTR is not.
Not sure if the GTR is gonna drive.
Oh shit.
Nope.
Oh,
nope.
Big disappointment.
I think his laptop is broken. Ooh. So a Civic with a laptop getting pushed away by 5 people.
They must have pulled a gear there because, yeah.
RIP. So that's the end of this car meet, this race. It's been a lot of fun. The race is still going on like crazy here, but it's getting cold. We're gonna head out. Overall, I don't know, what should I say? Like the car meet in general, it was nice. I would say it's a little bit bigger than the ones we usually go to in Gothenburg, but wasn't bad. We get to see like a dream car, a R34 GTR. But the race here, so far so much better than Gothenburg. Usually gets shut down so fast in Gothenburg. They've been going on for a good while here for sure. Like,
yeah, they usually get shut down early here in Stockholm as well, but this one has been going on for a really long time.
Yeah,
and there's a lot of cars here.
We've been lucky that it's a lot of cars. The police were here just as we started to pull in some cars, but they like checked it out, nothing happened and they left. Now we've been going for, I don't know, 40 minutes?
Yeah, more than that, an hour even.
Yeah, it just keeps going. Cars are still pulling in and it's just going on like crazy here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit of a car meet in Stockholm here and something different, a lot of cool cars and some fun content. So thank you so much for watching this video and I see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!